This is iPhone, but not iPhone. This is newly launched Xiaomi Redmi 12, and today in this video I'm going to unboxing it and share my first impression to you. So this is Anis, welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. Let's unbox it, and as you can see, this handset comes with a retail packaging, very small, and here showing Redmi branding and the handset photo, and the right side is some certifications with the branding Redmi 12, and in this back side here showing Redmi 12, and it comes with MediaTek Helio G88, and it's large screen 6.79 inch full HD display, and it has also Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection for front glass. So it comes with 5000 mAh massive battery and 50 megapixel camera. So let's opening it. So I already opened, and let's show you the main thing. So just opening the right way, and first thing is handset itself. So we talk later. Then the accessory box, here it comes with a SIM tool ejector and a back cover, silicone. It is matte finished silicone cover, and it has a 22.5 watt fast charging adapter. So this is used, but actual iPhone not provide the power adapter, but this budget friendly iPhone provide the 22.5 watt fast charging power adapter, but this budget friendly iPhone provide 22.5 watt fast charging power adapter. And last thing is data cables. It is type A to type C cables, which is good in this budget, and there's I think nothing here. So let's talk about the main display. This phone comes with a massive display size, 6.79 inch display, but it's only weight 198, but it's feel not heavy. So for protections, the main display, it has Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and this is 1080p full HD display, and its contrast ratio is 1500, and its brightness is up to 550 nits, so you can use it outdoor light. And it has 8 megapixel selfie camera, and its aperture is 2.1, which is enough bright for social media ready selfie. It support up to 720p 30 frames per second video recording, and also 1080p to 30 frames per second video recording. So in this back side, it has a glass back, they said on their website, but I'm not sure which Gorilla Glass or not, finishing is very good on this budget, and it has 3 camera setup on this back, and with the flashlight. Main camera is 50 megapixel with 1.8 aperture, and second one is 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is take up to 120 degree point of view, and its aperture is 2.2, and third one is micro lens, taking photo of a small object. So this aperture is 2.4, so you can record video up to 1080p 30 frames per second, but not 60 frames per second, and also 720p also 30 frames per second. In this right side, it has volume rocker key with power button, and it's work as a fingerprint sensor. In this top side, it has 3.5mm audio jack, so you can use your headphone. And the last thing is the air blaster, which is the Redmi special feature, and this backside is the speaker grill, and this speaker sound is very loud enough to listening movie, music, and it has type C cable, so which is the widely available on market. And last one is the microphone. In this left side, the SIM ejector, so you can use 2 SIM on this left side. And this handset surprisingly water and dust resistant. It's IP53 certified, water resistant, and main thing is its processor. This handset comes with MediaTek G88 processor, which is 12 nanometer manufacture process. GPU is ARM Mali G52, and it has 3 variant. 4GB 128 variant and 6GB 128 variant, and last one is 8GB 256 variant, and you can extend it up to 1 terabyte using micro SD card on the SIM slot. Pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.